Good morning, students. Today we are starting the chapter Enemy. In previous video, I described about the characters and I described about a little story of the chapter. Today we are starting the story from the same point where I left in the previous video. So now we are coming on the next heading, the prisoner, POW. The prisoner means the prisoner of war. POW means prisoner of war. So who was prisoner of war? Yes, Tom was prisoner of war. Actually, one day Dr. Sadao and Hannah both were standing in their balcony. They were looking towards the sea, and suddenly they found a black thing, and they found it is a man. Then he staggered a few steps, and then the mist hid him again. He staggered, लड़खड़ाकर चलना, a few steps, कुछ कदमों तक लड़खड़ाकर चला, and then the mist hid him again. और फिर उसे एक कोहरे ने, धुंध ने फिर से उसे अपनी छाया में छिपा लिया. After that, Dr. Sadao and Hannah thought that he was a fisherman who washed away from his boat. But when they went beside the man, they found that he was a white man and he is a prisoner of war. He is an American. They saw the condition of the man was very bad. And it is told the man was bleeding profusely. बड़ी तेजी से खून बह रहा था. Now, Dr. Sadao and Hannah both pecked the wound of the man and they thought that they should throw him back into the sea. But they could not do it. And after a lot of discussion, they brought him in their house. So you will see what will happen in the house. So this is given in the next heading, the servants react bitterly. In the previous video, I described about the servants of the house. There were 3 or 4 servants who are doing work in the house of Dr. Sadao. When they saw the white man in their house, so they started to react it. They said to the doctor, no need to give him shelter in his house because he is our enemy. But doctor tried to convince them that I will treat him and as soon as he will recover, I will hand over him to the police. But they did not accept it. They reacted bitterly. Now what will Dr. Sadao do with the enemy? This is given in the next video. Sadao saves the enemy's life. But you will see, after leaving the job of the servants, Dr. Sadao did not leave his hope to save the life of the man. He, along with Hannah, decided to operate the man. And he was doing the operation of that person. At that time, he said to Dr. Hannah, what did he say to Dr. Hannah? He told Hannah that she would need to give anesthetic to the man. बेहोशी की दवाई. So Hannah never saw in her whole career operation. That's why she started vomiting. She could not be able to give him the injection properly, and she started vomiting. She came outside. Due to that, Dr. Sadao was irritable and impatient with his enemy because he could not help Hannah in her distress. That's why Dr. Sadao was very irritable. After that, when Hannah came inside, Hannah saw some red scars on the neck of the prisoner of war, on the neck of the tomb. Now after watching those red scars, Hannah came to know that this is the reality of the war. And this is also given. She wondered if the war torture stories were true. She came to know that the war torture stories are true. Right then in her mind, a name came. And the name was General Takima. As I also described in the previous video about the characters, so General Takima was the general of Japan. So, but at last, Dr. Sadao became successful in saving the life of in saving the life of the patient. Who was the patient? Patient was prisoner of war, a white American whose name was Tom. So students, in today's video, I described about all these things. In next video, we will come to know what will happen with doctor now, whether doctor will be arrested by the police or not. We will find it in the next video. Students, I am sending a PDF file in which there are question answer. You will do in your pair notebook. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.